Sanbonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. You guys, there's a comment that has actually been circulating about this lady called Zoe or Sis Zoe, as some people have been saying, that has basically been looking for Vuyokazi. And the comment says, how do we get hold of her? Wanna help her with contact to come America for work. Azozisebenzela nje. Basically, she's saying, how do we get hold of Vuyokazi? We want to help her, or I want to help her to get contact to come to America. So people have been tagging Vuyokazi, and she reshared this post, and people now are really kind of celebrating and saying, look at God and all of that. And let me just say this. Firstly, I don't want to seem negative. I mean, it seems like a good thing. The fact that, someone wants to help her to get overseas and all of that and to work for herself. I don't know why the person kind of has a notion that just because Vuyokazi is not working a normal 9 to 5, that she's not working for herself, because the job she's doing, which is social media influencing or whatever she's doing, that's a job on its own, you guys. It's just a different type of job. And I guess you'd need to weigh your options, because with content creation type of work, guys, you need to be smart. There's some days or some months you're not going to get work. So when you do get work and you are getting paid that lump sum of money, you need to be smart with that and stretch it out for the rest of the month. So I don't think Vuyokazi akazisebenzeli. I do think she is working first off. But secondly, the thing that's concerning me, as I'm saying, it is a nice opportunity, guys, that someone's looking for to go and work in the States and all of that. But the thing that's concerning me is how people are celebrating this so prematurely just because it's an opportunity overseas. If anything that we've learned, guys, out of Vuyokazi's situation is, don't take decisions that seem good prematurely, even if it seems like an opportunity for a job. I know here in South Africa, like any job opportunity, you jump on it. But guys, what happened to even, I guess some of us, we put up quotes about praying, about believing in God, which what's meant for you will come for you. But you can't just be saying yes to each and every opportunity that just comes. Like, have you prayed about it? Have you asked God, like, is this the right move for me to take, even though it seems right? If anything, as I've said, we've learned from this situation, don't be quick to take decisions that seem good, because you don't know who ba lomto that's even offering this opportunity. How sure would she? She's not saying, this person or this lady is not saying, I'm going to give Vuyokazi a job. She's saying, I'm going to give her a contact to help her get a job. We don't even know what type of job that is, you guys. So for people to just be like, let's celebrate with the opportunities, guys, we need to be careful out there. We really need to be careful, because sometimes, and the thing is with social media is that sometimes we as fans and followers, we fill up the people we look up to, the people we like, we fill them up with mentalities that are not right. Because now people are celebrating, look at God and what. How do you even know this is not even another opportunity coming from Satan to finish her off? Hi, guys. Like, it's a nice thing, tag her and all of that. But I at this point, I'm just concerned for Ugel, because there seems to be this trend, and I'm not going to say this trend in her life, but this trend that I've seen or I've picked up based on her life online, because I don't know if it's like that offline, of things just coming to her and that seem good, Ganti. They're really not good. Now Olani coming to say good words or nice words, and it seemed like a good thing. And I was like, you know what, there's no point in talking bad about a person's marriage when they've made up their minds already. But this should be a lesson learned to going forward. Scrutinize the opportunity. Don't just jump at something just so that we can prove God is really with us. Is Katsokila, is Katsa in when will she get, or when did she get the time to be healing that already we're talking about? Hey, God's on your side and whatnot. Sometimes, guys, yes, God is on our side, but sometimes we also need to take accountability for the fact that we did not scrutinize some situations for ourselves. Some things God cannot choose for us, and thus we need to be careful. And that's all I'm gonna say. But anyway, Ukel knows best. She is a grown girl, I guess. I just really hope that this time around that she just doesn't take an opportunity just to prove a point to it. Even though this happened, look at me. I'm going to the States in a few days or in a few months or whatever the case may be. I really hope she takes time to sit with herself and really does some work. That we all go through moments, guys, where we feel behind in life concerning the things we want for our stuff. I don't know if she's going through that, but sometimes when we do feel behind, we make rush decisions and we make decisions quickly because we see things for what we want to see them for and not what they really are. But anyway, let's park it there. The church is out, you guys. Tell me your thoughts about this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.